Question number 41. Casperine stripe is found in option A. Periderm, B. Epidermis, C. Endodermis, D. Hypodermis. The correct answer is option C. Endodermis. Question number 42. Cork and secondary cortex is formed due to option A. Cambial activity, B. Xylem, C. Pericycle, D. vessels. The correct answer is option A. Cambial activity. Question number 43. Most common ground tissue. Option A. Collenchymatous, B. Parenchymatous, C. Sclerenchymatous, D. Erenchymatous. The correct answer is option B. Parenchymatous. Question number 44. Both the palisade and spongy mesophils of leaf function to option A. Synthesize sugar, B. Transport water, C. Transport sugar, D. Protect against water loss. The correct answer is option A. Synthesized sugar. Question number 45. Cork tissue is known as option A. Phelloderm, B. Phellogene, C. Phellum, D. Periderm. The correct answer is option C. Phellum. Question number 46. The pericycle, which gives rise to lateral root, consists of option A. Epithelial cells, B. Meristematic cells, C. Parenchymal cells, D. Endodermal cells. The correct answer is option C. Parenchymal cells. Question number 47. Phellogene originate from option A. Intrafascicular cambium, B. Interfascicular cambium, C. Vascular cambium, D. Tissue outside the vascular cambium. The correct answer is option D. Tissue outside the vascular cambium. Question number 48. The protoxylem is largely composed of option A. Annular vessels, B. Spiral vessels, C. Parenchyma, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is option D. Both A and B. Question number 49. Primary growth involves activity of option A. Vascular cambium, B. Apical meristem, C. Cork meristem, D. Cork cambium. The correct answer is option B. Apical meristem. Question number 50. Protoxylem and stomata in a dorsiventral leaf are present respectively. Option A. On the adaxial side, on the abaxial sides, on both adaxial and abaxial side, D. On the abaxial and adaxial side. Correct answer is option C. On both adaxial and abaxial side. Question number 51. When the bark of a tree is removed, the plant dies due to option A. Lack of mineral transport to the root, option B. Lack of transport of prepared food through phloem, C. Suffocation, D. Due to tragedy. The correct answer is option B. Lack of transport of prepared food through phloem. Question number 52. In plants, phloem helps in option A. Conduction of minerals, B. Absorption of water, C. Conduction of prepared food, D. Absence of SCF. The correct answer is option C. Conduction of prepared food. Question number 53. Histogen theory was proposed by option A. Smith, B. Haberlandt, C. Nageli, D. Hastings. The correct answer is option D. Hastings. Question number 54. Collateral vascular bundle is option A. Of same radius, B. Always open, C. Open or closed, D. Always closed. The correct answer is option C. Open or closed. Question number 55. Which layer give rise to steel? Option A. Periblenum, B. Plerome, C. Dermatogen, D. Calyptrogen. The correct answer is option B. Plerome. Question number 56. Cambium is not found in option A. Sugarcane, B. Mango tree, C. 4 o'clock plant, D. Banyan tree. The correct answer is option A. Sugarcane. Question number 57. Phloem helps in option A. Water conduction, B. Mineral conduction, C. Food conduction, D. Both B and C. The correct answer is option C. Food conduction. Question number 58. The study of determining age by studying annual rings is option A. dendrochronology, B. gerontology, C. angiology, D. dermatology. The correct answer is option A. dendrochronology. Question number 59. Which is responsible for growth in circumference of stem or root? Option A. xylem, B. phloem, C. cortex, D. cambium. The correct answer is option D. cambium. Question number 60. The balloon-like growth of parenchyma in lumen of vessel is known as option A. phylogeny, B. tunica, C. tyloge, D. histogeny. The correct answer is option C. tyloge. Question number 61. Cohesion and tension theory of transmission was given by option A. J.C. Bose, B. Munch, C. Dick, John and Joly, D. Leavitt. The correct answer is option C. Dick, John and Joly. Question number 62. Cricket bat is made from option A. salix or willow, B. willow, C. quercus, D. mulberry. The correct answer is option C. quercus. Question number 63. Grafting will be possible in monocot plant only if it has option A. scattered vascular bundles, B. herbaceous stem, C. parallel venation, D. cambium. The correct answer is option D. cambium. Question number 64. Protodome is a part of option A. floral bud, B. cortex, C. axillary bud, D. shoot and root apex. The correct answer is option D. shoot and root apex. Question number 65. The study of growth rings of tree in relation to climate is called option A. paleontology, B. dendrology, C. dendroclimatology, D. ethnobotany. The correct answer is option C. dendroclimatology. Question number 66. Jute fibers is obtained from option A. secondary xylem, B. secondary phloem, C. primary xylem, D. sclerochromatous tissue. The correct answer is option B. secondary phloem. Question number 67. Annual rings helps in determining option A. secondary growth, B. diameter of plant, C. lateral growth, D. age of plant. The correct answer is option D. age of plant. Question number 68. Which of the following is a dual complex tissue? Option A. parenchyma, B. sclerenchyma, C. phloem, D. xylem. The correct answer is option D. xylem. Question number 69. Trachea, tracheids, wood parenchyma and vessels are present in option A. collenchyma, B. parenchyma, C. erenchyma, D. xylem. The correct answer is option D. xylem. Question number 70. Jute fiber is obtained from option A. xylem fibers, B. bast fibers, C. epidermal hairs, D. endosperm. The correct answer is option B. bast fibers. Question number 71. Which of the following monocot shows secondary growth? Option A. Dracaena, B. maize, C. rice, D. sugarcane. The correct answer is option A. Dracaena. Question number 72. What type of vascular bundle is found in a dicot stem? Option A. open, collateral and exarch, B. open, collateral and endarch, C. closed, collateral and exarch, D. closed, collateral and endarch. The correct answer is option B. open, collateral and endarch. Question number 73. Growth rings in a dicot stem are formed due to activity of option A. intercalary meristem, B. intrastellar meristem, C. extrastellar meristem, D. primary cambium. The correct answer is option B. intrastellar meristem. Question number 74. Which of the following tissue is found only in dicot plants? Option A. xylem, B. phloem, C. collenchyma, D. chlorenchyma. The correct answer is option C. collenchyma.